What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. As you might expect, in this video we'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about the technicals, but more importantly, I think today, and especially after the big bearish move we had yesterday, we need to talk about some fundamentals. Three different types of fundamentals, I believe. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the effects of those fundamental events. Well, with fundamentals, I kind of mean news and economic fundamentals, but don't worry, we'll talk about it. So let's get right into it. So yesterday we had quite a big bearish move. That was mostly, in my opinion, due to a press conference very suddenly released by the Department of Justice from the United States, where they seized or they shut down a Russian crypto exchange, and they arrested the Russian entrepreneur or founder behind it. But that was well, I mean, to be honest, it feared me too. It feared the entire market, and that's why we dropped down to through our support level here at 21,000, and we have rebounded since. And yesterday I also said in the analysis that as long as we're above 20,500, we're still bullish. All right, so I would still consider us as bullish, but obviously it's a hit we have to endure. And then apart from that, what you can see from the dollar strength index, you can actually see that it wasn't caused by the economic fundamentals. The economics are still, I mean, they were actually very bullish for crypto. And we also made a new higher high yesterday, by the way. Let's not forget that, around 21,650. So the economic circumstances are still good. But then we get to the third fundamental event, which is very bearish. And that is this article from Reuters. A crypto lender Genesis preparing to file for bankruptcy, which came out yesterday. Genesis, as most of you might know, is the lending unit of Digital Coin Group. And Digital Coin Group is the second to biggest, I don't think that's correct English, to be honest, but it's the second biggest venture capital in crypto, hold a lot of cryptos, have invested in a lot of projects. So if they fall, I mean, you can see it right here, if they fall, it is a problem. All right, so this whole bankruptcy filing, Genesis is a very big lending company as well, so it's just bearish. All right, it's kind of a wonder that we're still holding these levels, but right now the fundamentals have really shifted against our favor, to be honest. I just think that together with the looming news that the Federal Reserve will not change their monetary policy, there's quite a lot of bearish or at least a lot of bearish potential news out there, which is not amazing. I mean, the news from yesterday we can forget, but we still had a big hit from it, and you can see how sensitive we are to bad news. All right, so we have to be careful. And right now, if we take a look at the technicals, taking into account all of those fundamentals, I still think we can go up. In the end, economic circumstances, which are still at this point of time bullish, they matter a lot. But you can also see almost this entire move, in my opinion, was fueled by those economic circumstances. So right now, the big thing is we're going to go up to that level between 21,000 and 21,100. We're going to find resistance there, but if we can actually break above that in the next 2 days, so just before the weekend, then I still think we can get to our next price target at around 21,700 and stay in this region. And then we can keep talking, like tomorrow I'll make an update whether we can still reach 22,500. But this is the thing we want to do. Is it possible? Yes, I think it's possible because of those bullish economic circumstances. Is it the most likely scenario? I am not sure. It just really depends on the developments. If you want to stay up to date on everything that's happening fundamentally around the markets, make sure to join the Discord, where the link is down in the description. There I and some other active community members keep you up to date on news coming out. But for now, I still think this is the most likely scenario. But as I said, there are a lot of things we have to really be careful about. So that's my take on the Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.